Now, interim president of the Intercollegiate Sports Association, Chester McCarthy, believes the laws that govern the body need to be looked at as it contributes to constant changing of executive members. The Intercollegiate Sports Association is yet again without a president, following the resignation of Dorothy Hudson-Gale. It's the second time in the last 4 years that the body is operating without a president, following the swift resignation of then-head Dalton Myers and General Secretary Lawrence Garrix. The resignation now leaves Vice President Chester McCarthy as interim boss of the governing body for tertiary sports, and he's not looking to fill the vacant spot.
The kind of person that really look for the limelight. I'm always in the background working. So in terms, I have no real interest in the presidency right now. I'm just serving.
Meanwhile, McCarthy says the constitution of Intercol needs to be examined as it doesn't allow for non-members to hold positions.
Based on how the constitution is structured for the intercollegiate body, once there's a break in any member of the executive's contract with their institution, then by right they ought to resign. And in this particular case with our previous president, Dr. Gale, that's what happened.
McCarthy adds that Intercol's struggles could continue if there is no change to the constitution.
Unless we are able to restructure the constitution in such a way that we can take other persons who are really dedicated and interested in sport, who are not necessarily a part of the formal collegiate system, we're always going to have problems.
But the loss of executives is not Intercol's biggest problem right now, as the body has been left without funding.
We are trying to get the work done. What we really need now is financial support, because we literally have no money. Based again on how the whole intercollegiate body is structured. You know, the SDF is really the only entity that we would normally get some funding from. And since the pandemic, we have not been able to do any drawdown from that entity.
The Sports Development Foundation was the main source of financial support for Intercol, but that has been stopped.